I think this thumbnail is not random because, guys, I have no other words. We just 100% finally cooked. Maybe we will go even lower, but now the sentiment even worse than Zone 22, even worse than FTX collapse, even worse than COVID dump, because the people so tired since Zone 21, tired of winning, and yes, I 100% support everyone who complain about a market because it's abnormal. The projects, the team, the market makers, the centralized exchanges, they spend a lot of money. You see the ads around about like join the centralized exchanges, trade now, trade this. Even the HTX now give you the send me the email all the time and notification like take the $1 and open the trade. Because we give you the option to trade even with $1. Now it's allowed. Before the minimum was like $5 minimum position. Now even you can trade with like $1. So imagine how cooked we are. So the people don't have any money, to open the trades for a minimum position like $5. So it's kind of weird, and they treat us like, oh, this is the future, this is decentralization and all of this fancy stuff. But it's absolutely no make sense because they. Once again, the market makers, the centralized exchanges, just venture funds, they just dump on us, on retailers. All of their fancy brand new tokens, what they run and launch during the last 4 years, I guess. And I would like to double check with my custom liquor set. Just a quick outlook to Total 2. You don't know what is Total 2? It's a crypto total market cap, excluding the BTC and stable coins. Others, dominance, and just the basic other charts. So let's start with the Total 2. I believe, yes, one day, we'll go higher. Now, a lot of people, so the paddle lovers, can draw the cup and handle here. Absolutely, it's no make sense. Somebody waiting the double bottom like this one. Yes, zone of accumulation still the same. I can't even imagine the prices of the altcoins if the Total 2, the capitalization, will go to the $500 million again, to the 27 zone. I don't know. What is bad? We formed a three-rise pattern. Yes, we was here at around 1.8 trillion, but the problem is there's just several altcoins pumped at that time. Like XRP hit new all-time high, maybe Ethereum reaches some high level, Injective pumped, Render, just a few of them. Just a few. Mantra, of course, these scammy coins pump it. And so, you remember what happened after that was a Mantra. So they grab all liquidity, total capitalization, right? And just big funds cash out. So that's kind of weird, And what I can see here, now we try hold the line 38. If not, the next step is 820 billion at 23 level. Of this fee. This fee is basically legit. So let's break it down there. Take profit and the smart money concept. Guys, if you like to try and trade with my custom set, what I would like to show you in this video with all of this full list totally for free, just write me DM, link will be on the description below. You can find the post and read what you need to do, and what information you need to send me to get a test. So the buy line now, it's 800 billions on a weekly time frame. And most likely, unfortunately, guys, we're going to reach this target. But I think some coins like AVAX can reach the main target, what I showed you before. Maybe that Polkadot will drop lower. Maybe the Zcash will drop lower. The zero questions to the top performer. Only the questions to the brand new coins, which brainwashed us with like a layer 1, layer 2. Open the page of any recently, the last 4 years, run tokens and listed tokens, the charts. They just erase all gains from the listing because the venture funds just dump on us. So guys, this is the target. Let's add alerts. To this area. I remind you, this chart, it's exclude capitalization from the BTC. So if the BTC go lower, for example, or go higher, it's not a fact that this Total 2 chart at all. So take profit and buy line. I think, yes, it can be the bottom. It can be the capitulation. After that, my main point is 2 trillion capitalization for the altcoins when I have no idea. The top of the top, incredible top of this one is going to be like around 3 trillion. I'm not expect higher. I don't know what should happen. And now we technically trade it just in range. So this, if it's a range, we form deviation at the top. Deviation at the bottom is going to be this one, 27 block, and we cooked one more time. Extra hard mode. Most positive case scenario if we just drop to the buy line on a weekly time frame. This is it, and go higher. So let's like impulse all this chop market is consolidation and go to the main target. We will see. This kind of even more scary because the buy line with the total 2 chart, it's around the 27 block. There is a lot of gaps. Same way, same time on a monthly time frame, and it's kind of bad. It's kind of bad because the buy line now is 477 on a monthly time frame. I hope we'll not reach that target, but it's possible. We broke the structure down on the daily time frame. That's why what is only the positive, what I can see now, it's here. The line on a buy line on the daily time frame start curve a little bit up, 667. So I wish to see something like this one. 1, 2, 3, and go higher. When probably middle of the summer. That's why I'm not touching the altcoins. It was the best decision I ever made. So I'm stopped touching the altcoins over than a year ago for the spot. Only just local speculation. So guys, highly recommend you add alerts. Use this set for free. Just add alert and track it. All right, it's about a total 2. What about the others? Others, I removed the FIB. If we double check on a monthly time frame, I understand what you probably see on a chart now. This pattern, right? 1, 2, 3. The size of this should be around here. That's why I hope this is not like a head and shoulder pattern. And I hope we just hold the line here. So grab liquidity, maybe even a little bit drop to the 450. So form something like this one. And after that, recover move. Because imagine 1, 2, 3. So the right shoulder is formed. Based on this chart, we should drop even under the low of June 14. Technically, it's no make sense, right? That's why one things what can save us is just the BTC dominance can start finally go down, right? So this is the one and only option for the alts to survive. We crash it down. Now we could retest and go maybe higher, right? For maybe inverse head and shoulder. Go to the 1, 2, 3 rise pattern monthly. But I don't think so. We go too much. Targets, I showed it before for the altcoin season. You can open the chart of BTC. Take profit, smart money concept zones. Here, if we compare the total 2 and the others dominance, we already retested the fundamental value line. So technically, no makes sense to drop lower, even on the monthly time frame. That's why I wish to see the take profit line, exit line, and go higher. So this is a plan. If not, guys, the road can be pretty hard drop. It's kind of weird, but it is what it is. Weekly time frame, here also we retested the fundamental value of the others charts. The positive moment, guys, now the BTC dominance a little bit drop under 58 cents. So that's why altcoins not dump it now so hard. Of course, they dump, but not that hard like in Zone 22. Maybe because there's just empty books or the books. Nobody sell it. Everybody already out, right? That's why it's kind of strange market, at this current moment. Take profit on others. Dominance is 10%, 83. The retest of the buy line can be, yes, this summer, something like this one, in reversal move. So also add alerts to the take profit buy line and track. Others capitalization. So this is a crypto total market cap, excluding top 10 and stable coins. Also, same story. Cup and handle. I don't think so. Double bottom, maybe. So probably the total and the others looks absolutely identical. The one difference is we not sweep the high of November 21 here in November 24. That's why I think it just drop consolidation and we will go higher to the main targets. The main targets is one. Yes, this one. Let's mark it black one color. This one. Half trillion. So this is the top of the top parcel for me. We already retested several times the 27 block. If we're gonna drop again, yes, guys, you can be sure 95 billion and 69. Time will show us we will drop to this area or not. That's why now it's so important to hold the line here. If we double check the take profit smart money concept, what we can see, we already retested several times the buy line. That's why monthly, this is it. Buy line on the monthly, it's 100 billion capitalization. I hope we'll not drop that low. 109 billion capitalization on the monthly. Targets, guys, I showed you more data. You can check by yourself totally for free. Just write me DM. You can test all this set just by yourself. You know, even on a history, even on a free trading view plan, guys. I showed you my zone of interest. For the others, for the total, some altcoins will drop, some not. But if they will, just choose wisely. Don't believe in fundamental, all of these fancy stories about fundamental. Just accumulate by charts. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about others, other dominance, altcoins in general. And don't forget, Joe Matego. See you next time.